It's an important industry event covering two sectors, which is mainly mining and the construction sectors. As you are aware, mining is one of the core sectors of the economy, and it is really driving the GDP of the country, one of the important sectors which is driving it. You would have heard the government's prerogative in trying to open up the economy and especially the mining sector. And as a result of this opening up of the economy in the mining sector, you are seeing suddenly an advancement of a lot of advanced equipments coming into the country. And obviously these advanced equipments require lubrication solutions which normal conventional oils are not able to deliver, and that's where ExxonMobil plays a very important role. Now, as far as the construction sector is concerned, data says that the construction sector is supposed to be increasing at a rate of around 6.2% between 2023 to the year 2026. Now, that's a phenomenal growth rate. Obviously, with all this competition and all this growth and more equipments coming in, that's where ExxonMobil plays a very critical role in advancing customers' expectations. And typically, customers' ambitions are towards mobility, productivity, and sustainability goals. And that's what ExxonMobil has been trying to work over the last few years. Mobil exists to advance customers' mobility, productivity, and sustainability ambitions. Now, the focus areas which ExxonMobil typically has, we call it as our capability pillars, are one towards products, the other is towards services, and the third is towards digital ecosystem. And that's what we are trying to bring to the table. As you are aware, ExxonMobil has been in the market for close to 150 years. And products has been our core strength. But now customers are moving beyond products and they are looking for lubrication solutions. And that's where ExxonMobil has been trying to work in the last few years. And that's what we bring to the table. Along with the products comes services to make it a holistic offer. And the services is another area that we are bringing to the table. And ultimately, of course, with the advancement of digitization, no organization can escape it. And in fact, it's the need of the hour. And we are coming up with digital solutions for these two sectors. Like I mentioned, what sets us apart is our core capabilities, our research and development work that we have done in developing our products over the last 100 years and plus. In terms of our core product offerings, I'll really classify it into four buckets. One is the hydraulic sector, which is really important for the construction and mining sector, for which we have a product which is called DT10XL. Now, DT10XL brings to the core products hydraulic oils which provide extreme level of cleanliness, long lubrication efficiency they bring in energy efficiency. So these are the products predominantly for the hydraulic systems. We have proven track records, like a product like DT10XL brings hydraulic efficiencies to the tune of 6%, energy efficiencies in the range of 2 to 3%, and customers love us for that. In terms of the second application coming out of hydraulic oil, we talk about engine oil which is required, a long drain interval. We have a core product called Mobil Delvac 1 ESP 5W40. It is really meant for extending the oil drain interval. What this really brings to the table is one of the sustainability benefits, really, because all you're trying to do is increase the oil drain interval. And what that really means is that you are disposing of less oil into the market, and that is really trying to fit into our sustainability ambition of doing more with less. The other product which I would want to talk about is our applications in greases. We have got a phenomenal product which is a lithium complex grease, which is called Mobil Grease XHP 460. Again, giving a higher extension, works at extreme temperatures, and has got properties like extreme pressure, which are really our core products. The fourth product is typically for applications in the industry for gear oils and axle oils. We have got our range of Mobil Lube grades, which are Mobil Lube 1 ATW90. This is a product again with extreme pressure additives, responsible for giving long drain intervals working under extreme conditions. So really the demand of the industry is to extend oil drain intervals, get productivity, bring efficiencies, and this offering which I just mentioned across hydraulics, engine oils, gear oils and greases, we have the perfect fit for that in the market. Services, our core offer comes under the Mobil Serve umbrella. Under the Mobil Serve umbrella, we basically have got enhanced, elite and basic services. The entire Mobil Serve slate has got roughly around 16 offerings. Out of these 16 offerings, the key component is Mobil Serve lubricant analysis. What really we try to do through Mobil Serve lubricant analysis is analyze the product, give predictive maintenance initiatives or advices to our customers, that is being more proactive. Now recently we shifted our lab into Bombay, and as a result of this, our turnaround time of getting the samples and the reports to our customers has decreased by roughly 66%. So and that's a phenomenal achievement in terms of providing that feedback to the customer on a timely basis. They are able to take corrective actions. Another industry first that we have is, while many players are out there trying to do lubricant analysis, we have launched Mobil Serve grease analysis, and we are the only industry player to provide grease analysis to our customers. So that's another thing which I would want to talk about. Now, talking about services, like I mentioned earlier, we are moving towards digitalization. Requirement of the customers is to give us predictive maintenance tips, and for which we are using sensor technologies. It comes under our Mobil Serve IIoT Insights. The fourth one, which is the latest offering, which is really applicable for the mining industry, is called Mobil Serve Asset Management. Now, typically mines are all over the place in far out locations. There are thousands and thousands of equipments, both mobile as well as stationary. Now, one of the biggest challenges of the maintenance engineers in the mining industry is that how does he keep a reminder for himself which assets are coming up for lubrication, which are the next assets coming up for maintenance. What Mobil Serve Asset Management really does is we register all the assets which are stationary or mobile in a mining site onto our MSAM platforms, and those asset management template, which is controlled, really provides insights to the maintenance engineers that this particular equipment is coming up for maintenance or a scheduled maintenance, and they start working on it. So it's basically calendarizations of the entire assets. So like I mentioned, our overall objective for the organization is to advance our customers' mobility, productivity and sustainability ambitions. And through our offerings of products, services and digital, we are trying to address all of them.